Why does your scanner show the P2002 engine code? What does it mean? P2002 is a diagnostic trouble code for diesel particulate filter efficiency below threshold at Bank 1. This engine code indicates that the diesel particulate filter efficiency has dropped below the given threshold for Bank 1. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty exhaust backpressure sensor, clogged DPF, poor quality diesel fuel, exhaust leaks, damaged DPF, sensor issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This engine code can appear in diesel-powered vehicles from a variety of manufacturers, most commonly in European brands like Audi, Volkswagen, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.